Ever wondered how to make whimsical sweets inspired by the Nutcracker? Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of Sugar Plum Fairy Cupcakes, a delightful treat that captures the magic and charm of this beloved ballet. Stay tuned to learn how to bring these magical cupcakes to life. To start off, gather your ingredients. You'll need the basics for the cupcake base: flour, sugar, butter, and eggs. Add in a touch of vanilla extract for flavor. For the whimsical frosting, grab cream cheese, powdered sugar, and food coloring. And don't forget the edible glitter for that fairy dust effect. Once you've gathered all of these, you're ready to start baking. Now, the fun part begins: baking. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. While it warms, blend your dry ingredients, then slowly incorporate the wet ones, creating a smooth, rich batter. Pour this into your cupcake liners, filling each about 2/3 full. Pop these into the oven and let them bake for around 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You want a perfect golden brown hue. Once the cupcakes are golden brown, take them out and let them cool. While our cupcakes are cooling, let's prepare the magical frosting. Begin by whipping up a cloud of fluffy cream cheese frosting, sweetened with powdered sugar and tinted with a hint of soft lilac. Now the fun part. Channel your inner artist and pipe delicate swirls atop each cupcake. Sprinkle with edible silver stars for a touch of fairy dust magic. Finally, perch a sugar plum candy on top, a nod to our Nutcracker inspiration. And there you have it, whimsical Sugar Plum Fairy Cupcakes. Making these Nutcracker-inspired cupcakes is as simple as that. We've journeyed from mixing the ingredients to baking our cupcakes and finally to the delightful task of decorating them. The process is not just easy, but it's also a whole lot of fun. Creating these whimsical sweets truly brings out the magic in baking. So whether you're a seasoned baker or a beginner, these Sugar Plum Fairy Cupcakes are a joy to make. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and fun baking tutorials.